The cabin air filter in your 2020-2022 Hyundai Palisade is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Its job is to trap dust, pollen, odors, and pollutants, ensuring cleaner air inside your vehicle. Replacing this filter regularly is crucial. Neglecting it can reduce airflow, decrease AC performance, potentially damage the blower motor, and even lead to higher pollutant levels inside your car, up to 5 times higher than outside. Experts recommend changing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or at least once a year, to maintain a healthy and efficient HVAC system. First, open the glove compartment. You might need to detach the damper stops. These are clips or screws that limit how far the glove box opens. Gently lower the glove compartment completely. Next, locate the filter cover, a rectangular plastic panel with tabs or screws. Unclip or unscrew it to access the filter. Remove the old filter, noting its orientation with arrows showing airflow direction. Insert the new filter, making sure it's the correct size, approximately 10.5 inch by 7 fms by 0.7, and oriented properly. Secure the filter cover back in place, reattach the glove compartment stops, and close the glove compartment. It's a DIY-friendly task that should take about 10 to 15 minutes.